Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add a payment method on Behance. So guys, what you have to do, just click this option profile, and from here click this option parameters, and after that guys, what you have to do, wait to loading this page and click this option guys. Click this option connection to PayPal or Stripe, and you have two options to add payment method. You have PayPal and you have Stripe. If you want to connect your PayPal, click just connect PayPal, and you will redirect to your PayPal account. Then complete your login with your PayPal by enter your email address and password. You write your email address and password, and you can connect with Stripe. As you can see here, this Stripe guys is a payment method available on Behance. Click just connection and you will connect successfully without any problem. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.